So the latest community traders report out of the CFTC, converted to percentages, outer circle latest report, inner circle the week before, so we can see week-on-week changes. And the general theme for larger speculators when it came to the FX market has been majority long the FX majors against the US dollar. And they've held on to that for quite some time. However, a couple weeks back, we did get a shift in one of them, and there has been a general pullback off the highs in terms of extreme buy buys. They used to hold extreme buy buys in the euro, not anymore. Still heavy buy territory, though, out of heavy buy territory when it comes to the pound. And it's the end, well, that's where we had our first shift, so to speak, when it comes to sentiment. They were previously holding just a few months back extreme buy territory, reaching around 80%. A couple weeks back, they shifted to majority short. Since then, the shorts have been piling in, and we've actually now near extreme sell level for the safe haven yen. Not true just yet, though, when it comes to the safe haven franc. In this case, they're still holding majority long buy, so you can see the percentage, though, has dropped. And when it comes to commodity currencies, they have pulled back as well. In this case, very close to the middle, not needing much to shift. Canadian dollar and Australian dollar, both of them at 53%. New Zealand dollar at around 57, 58%. They're still majority long the Russian ruble, more so when it comes to the South African rand. On the other end, though, they are majority short the Mexican peso, and much more so when it comes to the Brazilian real, given the fact that even after the rate hike a couple weeks back, they are still, their real interest rates are still in negative territory. So when it comes to commodities, in this case, when it comes to oil, it's a consistent extreme buy bias. Retail traders, though, it has been, it's gone to heavy buy, dropped down to about, latest reading, about 58%, given the fact that they're trying to range trade what have been relatively volatile intraday moves. But if you look at it, if you zoom out to the daily, you'll see that it's been relatively within key ranges as of late. And general theme has been for larger speculators when it comes to both hard and soft commodities, that they're still holding a majority long bias. And that, of course, holds true when it comes to precious metals, though no longer in extreme buy territory when it comes to gold, a couple notches down when it comes to silver, unchanged when it comes to platinum, and which is the highest, by the way, and increasing when it comes to palladium, though let's not forget that it was very close to the middle and not that far from shifting very recently. Lastly, when it comes to indices, they remain mixed. Majority short tech heavy NASDAQ, slightly higher at around 56%, and the Dow out of heavy sell territory, but they're slight majority buy when it comes to the S&P as well as Russell.